Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Tube meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning. Fairly quiet weather for the majority of us. I want to point out a couple of things on Futurecast. First off, a lot of the short-term models, including our Futurecast forecast model, have been overdoing the fog. There was fog potential this morning, but most of this here is not there. There's a little patchy fog this morning, but it's not that widespread. And that's something that can be very difficult to predict. Is the fog. You have all the snow on the ground. The entire coverage area for the local 4 viewing area is covered on snow now. And when you get that melting that takes place during the day, sometimes that low level moisture at night can turn into fog. That said, I noticed a lot of freezing fog, so at times there has been fog out there overnight, and I noticed a lot of ice crystals on a lot of the trees out there this morning. So as the sun comes up, it might be kind of a pretty sight. That said, some places may not see as much sun as others. We've already seen some clouds moving in from the west and northwest this morning, which means it's warmer here. These areas, again, keep in mind, it's pretty much clear here, even though it shows these clouds or fog here, it's clear. But with those clear skies, it's a cold start to the day out there. Let's play this out as the skies will start off sunny in some spots, but then cloud cover increasing through the morning, and this afternoon looks mostly cloudy for the majority of the area. Winds not terribly strong for today. They'll stay fairly light overnight tonight. Once again, fog potential overnight, and I want to stress the word potential. Otherwise, we'll go with mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, I think it's going to be a mostly cloudy day, maybe a little more sun to the north and west, especially in the afternoon. It's kind of a chilly day once again. Then tomorrow night, partly to mostly cloudy skies heading into our Wednesday morning. Temperatures for today, and this is probably, in my opinion, probably too optimistic. We're looking at low to mid 30s. I think most of us may kind of lean more towards the lower 50s, or excuse me, 30s, not 50s. But most of us may lean towards the lower 30s. I went mid 30s for now in the Tri-Cities, but again, there is the possibility it may be a few degrees cooler than that. Tonight won't be as cold as it is out there this morning. We'll see teens and lower 20s, although I would not rule out some places falling back into the mid, maybe even lower teens out there. And then for tomorrow, probably a touch cooler than today, upper 20s, lower 30s, maybe some mid 30s for highs. Tomorrow night, upper teens and lower 20s for lows. And then jumping ahead to our Wednesday, which is going to be a windier day. Those northwest winds will kick in about 15 to 20 with gusts up to 30 miles per hour Wednesday afternoon. High temperatures will top out in the 20s and lower 30s, so a little bit chillier for the middle of the week. Looking at the long-range forecast, we're going to get a little colder towards the middle of the week, but just wait till you see what's coming. Now, the rest of the week, Thursday, Friday, look fine. Chilly, but nothing crazy cold. We start to throw in moisture chances down the road. I thought about putting one in Thursday. I didn't. We'll see. There are some slight chances Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Still a little bit up in the air right now with how good those chances are, but there's the potential for some accumulating snowfall this weekend. It's also going to turn rather breezy as an Arctic cold front passes through, and that front's going to start to bring the colder air on Saturday. You'll really feel it Saturday night and into Sunday, and it looks like it will probably stick around a little while into the first part of next week. Temperatures well below average as we wrap up January and look towards early February. A couple of the long-range models I want to show you here. First off, let's focus on moisture only. Not much the next couple of days. We get a big storm system that passes to our southeast Tuesday into Wednesday, but we miss out on that. Again, I mentioned the possibility of maybe throwing in a Thursday chance. I was a little iffy on it, but there it is right there. You see it. And then maybe a chance Friday, and then more over the weekend for Saturday and Sunday. This one's maybe a little bit better chance, but we'll see. But I'll show you right now the GFS model is not agreeing with this, the European model. The European model is the one that you're seeing on your screen right now. And then after that, maybe not much of a chance, but it's going to stay on the colder side of things for a few days. Now onto the GFS forecast model. Again, there's that chance of snow off to our southeast Tuesday night and a Wednesday. And then as you look towards Thursday, I thought about a small chance. I didn't include it. It's close. Friday, a slight chance of snow. And then this weekend, I would almost put it a slightly better chance this weekend, but this is not a certainty by any means going through the weekend and early next week. And then beyond that, we kind of stay colder for a couple of days. Not a lot of active weather for early next week. So I already showed you the temperature profile here on that 10-day forecast. I'll bring it up one more time here, and then we're going to show you the national map on what's coming here. So I'll wait for that to pop up real quick once again here. It takes a little bit of time to load in sometimes. I apologize for this. There it is. So you see the cold air that's coming. Let's look at one of the big picture here. So this is right now. Look at it. Not any major changes the next 4 or 5 days or so, but then look what's coming Saturday. Here comes that colder air, and that colder air is going to settle in through the early portions of next week. We'll see how long it sticks around. That's kind of the big question right now, is how long will that stick around? Wait to be seen. It's a ways out yet. We'll get the better picture as we get closer. But again, I'll bring that 7-day forecast up one more time as I leave you for today. And again, you see just not a lot of active weather, but things will turn a little bit more messy, a little messier towards the end of this week into the upcoming weekend, with potential for snow and, of course, that colder air. Well, I do need to let you all go, but I want to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I'll see you all again on Tuesday with all the latest. Until then, take care and God bless. Bye.